Daddy God, thank you for the gift of life we don't carry sama me today. We be say I fit sleep, come wake up for better health, for better strength, and with vitality. Daddy God, as the light of today don't show, we be say darkness don't discharge. I come before your domot. We heart way full of thanks and heart we respect you well. Daddy, I say thank you for the gift where you give me, the gift of this new day. And this gift will be say you don't carry your grace and your mercy take paint time. We be say come fine, come full with plenty opportunity, plenty possibility. Daddy, I agree. Say now you, now be the Agidigba God over my life, over my family, over my career, over the business and every. I surrender today, my today, carry and put for inside your hand where they capable. Your hand where sabi run matter. That's so it be. Daddy God, today grant me the strength to face every big and bigarity we go show. Make me know say that with you everything go work weller. Everything go work weller. Daddy, today make your wisdom and direct my decision. Everything I go do, all my doings, all my runnings, make your wisdom direct me. Make your love when it fail, make it cover me like cloth, make it cover me like blanket, as he dey direct me as I dey waka. Papa, as I come out this morning, they go my work. I carry my eye, take put for where you dey. I carry my eye, take put for where you dey. Make you be the one wey go dey guide me. Make you dey show me road. Make you dey show me road. Sote. Every area wey no dey clear, you go show me wetin no dey there. You go open am, even as I dey waka dey go. Daddy God, I pray today, make you fill my heart with compassion and kindness. Make me say I go fit show your love to people, and I go fit show your compassion and kindness to the people where I go meet. Anywhere where I show, make I fit show people the love where you get for them. Make I fit show them your compassion. And let me, Baba God, to see the beauty for inside every person where I go meet today. Let me to see the beauty where inside every person. Where I go fit show them your love. So I feel extend that your grace where carry give me. I feel extend down to them too, so that they go show for their life as well. That you, for moments where frustration and stress won't begin me, Baba, I beg, make you and remind me of the power of your patience and peace where they come from the trust where I get for you. Baba, help me, make it be say frustration and stress no go kill me. Make you guard the thing where they come out from my mouth, the thing where they enter my mind. Make you direct me, come off for things where no good, things where they spoil people life, where they spoil things. Come on my mind for them, come on my face for them, come on my leg for them. Let your word, Papa God, where they come out from my mouth, make it be the thing where they bring life for people. May it be the thing where they encourage people. May it be the thing where they say if they help people, they move, if they motivate, if they increase people morale, if they equally bring them healing. Daddy God, make the action, my doings today, make it speak louder, make it show past my talk. Maybe say, when I see my doings, then go know true. Say the doings of this man, the doings of this my brother, if they show the kind love where God they show people. Now the doings of Baba God where they walk through people. Now me so that's how it be. Make it show for my life. Make it they reflect the grace and compassion. Make it they flow through my life. Daddy, make my actions speak louder. Make it they reflect. Daddy, today bless my every my runnings, bless them, both big and small, so that everything what they do, it go arrange according to your purpose and plan for my life. Open doors of opportunity and close the doors where God for command me for your presence. Open doors where go bring me better and make you help me close the door where be say it go come on better thing for my life. Lord, today grant me the sense to take understand, say, now you they lead me, and the courage to follow you wherever you they go. Daddy God, I offer this day to you. I cannot give you as a living sacrifice, a testament of my faith and trust for your plan with the divine for my life. In this moment, in every moment of joy, I go praise you. And in every moment of struggle, I go depend on your everlasting arm for strength. Thank you once again, oh God, for the gift of this beautiful new day. Make it radiate your great glory for everything we I go do. In Jesus' mighty name, I don't carry pray. Amen.